Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a vlog style video, a very casual video. I have been asked before to do vlog style videos just showing what I do in a day, and since it's quarantine and I'm not working right now and I have more time to do this, I'm actually going to show you what I've been up to. So I woke up at around 12 today, and yeah, I've been waking up super late. I've been going to sleep at 4 a.m. Okay, so I've been talking a lot. Let me just show you what I've been up to right now. So I just got back from the store. So I've been trying out new shampoos for about the last year. I literally have been trying every single brand. So this is the next one that I'm trying, Not Your Mother's Shampoo. Or Not Your Mother's Naturals, something like that. And this is the conditioner and the shampoo, and they smell so good. And also, I don't know if this will focus, it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, all the good stuff. Well, it doesn't have all the bad stuff, and it has all the good stuff because it has like natural ingredients. It's cruelty free and it's made in the USA. So yeah, all the shampoos that I have been trying lately are for curly hair, and they have no parabens and no sulfates and stuff like that. And then I just got a deodorant. So yeah, if you've tried natural deodorant, let me know if you liked it or not. I know there's like a time period where you're still going to be like basically detoxing all the chemicals of these types of deodorants, but I have really bad odor if I don't wear deodorant, so I don't know how natural deodorants would work on me. And then I just got this exfoliating body scrubber from this brand. I just needed a new one, and I don't like the loofahs anymore. I've actually been using like scrubbers like this. I feel like they work better. And that's all I bought. We also bought alcohol, this Bud Light brand flavored. We didn't like it that much. Okay, so now what I'm up to, I want to clean my beauty room, and also I want to wash all my shoes. So I have so many white shoes and they're all so dirty. So I already put 2 pairs of shoes in the washer, and then I'm going to wash all my white shoes together. So I'm going to take all the shoelaces and clean that up. And excuse how dirty this room is. I have dogs and there's going to be dog hairs everywhere. So these I have to clean. They are so dirty right now. These Converse I haven't worn in years, and I just want to clean them and see if I start wearing them again. I do want to order the platform ones, but for now I just want to have those clean in case I want to work out with them or something. And then I have these over here. These are pretty dirty as well. These will probably go in the washer because they're like the cloth material. I don't know about my Nikes. Maybe the Converse I will throw in the washer as well. If you want a separate video on how I shop, let me know, because I have some pretty good shopping skills. I pretty much never buy anything full price except from Zara. That's pretty much the only exception, Zara, because they don't have coupons there. But I do shop in their sale section whenever they have the big sales. But other than that, I don't think I've ever bought anything full priced. But here they are. I will wash them by hand, or maybe even just throw them in the washer. Okay, so I'm gonna get some Lysol wipes to try and clean the Nike Air Force, since I don't want to throw those in the washer. I don't know how they would do in the washer. Also, guys, if you haven't seen before, this is our little gym room. We just have some weights there, a big mirror right there, and yeah. Okay. Okay, so what I want to accomplish today, well tonight, I want to first of all finish cleaning these shoes, clean this room, film a story kind of haul video for my Instagram of the workout clothes that I bought, because a lot of people, I did a poll on my stories and a lot of people wanted me to do the haul of the workout clothes in Instagram stories instead of YouTube. I still did a YouTube video. Oh wow, these are so dirty. Look at that. I saw a YouTuber, I think her name is Alicia Marie. She was cleaning them with a magic eraser. And that seemed to work pretty good. So I might have to get one of those. So this is as good as it's gonna get for now. I'll can't speak. I think I'll buy a magic eraser, or I'll wash them with a little brush by hand.
That's good.
So let's put away all the hair products. So this is actually the cap for something. Oh guys, I love this tanning lotion. If you want a super natural tan, like, mix this with a little bit of lotion and it's gonna be super nice. It leaves a little bit of like glow and glitter. I love it. And yeah, I just mixed it with a little bit of lotion and put it all over my body, and it looks amazing. You don't even have to shower or anything. Doesn't leave you sticky, and it's super easy to apply because you don't have to worry about like looking streaky and fake. It literally is like the most natural. And these are more hair products. I usually keep all these things here because when I get out of the shower, I just put them on. If you're looking for a good brand for curly hair, I'm almost out of this, but this is the Cantu curling cream. I really like this. I put it in my wet hair and that's literally all I do. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break from cleaning and I think I'm gonna do my nails, because I just saw all the nail things right now and I saw my nails and they're not looking pretty. So I bought this Polygel thing. It's a Japanese brand and I love the color. It's super easy to use, but I need a good primer because it doesn't stick to my nails that well. Yeah, I need to find a good primer, and a lot of the things in Amazon don't ship over here to my house, so it's a struggle. Okay, so basically what you are supposed to do is grab your little Polygel tube and then you, oh, I need a brush. You pour some of this in there. This is alcohol. You need 70% or higher. To prep my nails, I just shape them how I want them. I'm not going to use any extension tips today. I usually use dual forms and make my nails longer, but for today I just want to put Polygel just so that my nails don't break. I'm going to take a little alcohol wipe and just clean all the dust. Okay, now I'm using this Japanese Ultra Bond, which I don't even know if it does anything. So I'm just gonna use a gel base coat. This one from AutoZone. I really like this brand. And now I'm just gonna put it in my lump right here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of alcohol and start moving this around. So So this is what they look like. I didn't take too long. It only took me maybe max 20 minutes. Yeah, everything's pretty much clean. I'm gonna keep all this right there because I use it every single day. And that's my daily makeup bag. But for the most part, everything's pretty clean. Well, not really. What am I lying to? Okay, and I put all my shoes in the washer already. That's washing. Yeah, but my nails look cute. At least I did that. Okay guys, so I'm about to do a quick workout. I'm just gonna do 2 videos from Chloe Ting. She posts her videos on YouTube, or you can check her website. And I just like using these. I call them bananas. I don't know if that's like a Mexican thing, but I've always known them as bananas. Okay guys, so I'm done with the workouts. I'm so tired, I need to go get some water downstairs. But I'm just gonna take out my shoes from the laundry, drink some water, put on PJs and call it a night. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do. Wipe off this makeup. That's not blush. That's me working out hard. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So my camera is about to die. So I'm dying, guys. Okay, so my camera's about to die. So I'll see you guys in my next video.